Hello everyone. Let's see schedules of the Constitution. There are 12 schedules. Number 1 schedule, subject matter, name of the states and their territorial jurisdiction. Articles covered 1 to 4. Secondly, names of the union territories and their extent. Second schedule, provisions relating to the emoluments, allowances and privileges and so on of. Firstly, the President of India. Secondly, the governors of the state. Thirdly, the Speaker and Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Fourthly, the Chairman and the Deputy Chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Fifth, the Speaker and the Deputy Speaker of the Legislative Assembly in the state. Sixth, the Chairman and Deputy Chairman of the Legislative Council in the state. Seventh, the Judges of the Supreme Court. Eighth, the Judges of the High Court. 9. The Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Articles covered are 59, 65, 70, 75, 97, 125, 148, 158, 164, 186 and 221. Third schedule, forms of oath or affirmations for. Firstly, the Union Ministers. Second, the candidates for election to the Parliament. Thirdly, the members of Parliament. Fourthly, the judges of Supreme Court. Fifth, the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Sixth, the state ministers. Seventh, the candidates for election to the state legislature. Eighth, the members of the state legislature. Nine, the judges of the high courts. Articles covered 75, 84, 99, 124, 146, 173, 188 and 219. Fourth schedule, allocation of seats in the Rajya Sabha to the states and the union territories. Articles covered 4 and 80. Fifth schedule, provisions relating to the administration and control of scheduled areas and scheduled tribes. Article covered 244. Sixth schedule, provisions relating to the administration of tribal areas in the states of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. Article covered 244 and 275. Seventh schedule, division of powers between the union and the state in terms of list 1 union list, list 2 state list and list 3 concurrent list. Presently the union list contains 100 subjects, originally 97. The state list contains 61 subjects, originally 66, and the concurrent list contains 52 subjects, originally 47. Articles covered 246. Eighth schedule, language recognized by the Constitution. Originally it had 14 languages, but presently there are 22 languages. They are Assamese, Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Maithili, Malayalam, Manipuri, Marathi, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santhali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu and Urdu. Sindhi was added by the 21st Amendment Act of 1967. Konkani, Manipuri and Nepali were added by the 71st Amendment Act of 1992, and Bodo, Dongri, Maithili and Santhali were added by the 92nd Amendment Act of 2003. Articles covered 344 and 351. Ninth schedule, acts and regulations, originally 13 but presently 282, of the state legislatures dealing with land reforms and abolition of the zamindari system, and the parliament dealing with other matters. This schedule was added by the First Amendment 1951 to protect the laws included in it from judicial scrutiny on the ground of violation of fundamental rights. However, in 2007, the Supreme Court ruled that the laws included in this schedule after April 24, 1973 are now open to judicial review. Article covered 31B. 10th Schedule. Provisions relating to disqualification of the members of parliament and state legislatures on the ground of defection. This schedule was added by the 52nd Amendment Act of 1985, also known as Anti-Defection Law. Article covered 102 and 191. 11th Schedule specifies the powers and authority and responsibilities of panchayats. It has 29 matters. This schedule was added by the 73rd Amendment Act of 1992. Article covered 243G. 12th Schedule specifies the powers, authority and responsibilities of municipalities. It has 18 matters. This schedule was added by the 74th Amendment Act of 1992. Article covered 243W.